Hey everybody, I am back and I have a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, now I had a couple of these little bushes, but I really like this soft, pretty pastel pink. So I bought these, and these will go in the family room and the kitchen in different areas. This is the most beautiful, I think these are peonies. Yeah, they are peonies. But they're a very, very soft pink, extremely pastel. And I'm doing pinks and yellows and grays, so got that. They only had one lonely little delphinium. That's it, just one. Just one. So I'll put other lavender flowers in my living room with this. Then I got some onion grass, and I will probably use this for my carrots. Then I got these butterflies because I'm doing something where I'm using butterflies. And I don't know, I may try to change the color on some of these, I'm not sure. But they're drinking glasses. And this one's really pretty. It's like a jelly jar on the bottom in a way, heavy. Just a glass. Then, like everyone and their brother, I got this plaque. But see, I like this because last year I did, do you know I thought that was galvanized and it's not? This is. I thought that was. That looked real. Anyway, I have a lot of the carrots and I made faux carrots, and so I'll be using this probably. I won't use it in my kitchen probably because I'm doing the pink and gray, so this will probably be on my hutch. But got that because I really like that. And then I got this. We believe in the Easter Bunny, but very sparkly, very pastel. And this one I thought was cute. And I know where I'll put that. That's going to look cute where I'm going to put it. And that I'm going to leave like it is. I'm not going to alter that at all. This one, I couldn't resist because of the carrots again. With this, and if you go back to my Easter tour, home tour last year, you'll see how much I used carrots and bunnies in my kitchen. So this year, I think my hutch is going to be a lot of carrots and bunnies. Because you can use your same decor. If you put it into another part of the house, it gives it a completely different look. I got some of these, the Red Hots. I love Red Hots. And these little Happy Hoppers. These are little bunny gummies. How cute. Look. Can you see? They're shaped like bunnies. How cute is that? Then I got one of these, and I'll leave it galvanized, and I'll put flowers in it. And I'll use this all year long. I mean, $90 compared to what, sometimes $6, $7, $8, $9 at other stores. And then I got this one, and I've been looking for this one. And I'll probably leave this metal too. If anything, I might just put some white, but and then bring this out again to where it looks, you know, the black part. I won't cover that up. I'm not sure. I'll probably leave it like it is. Not a real big haul, guys. And then I got this microfiber again. Remember when I did Christmas stuff with this this past year? I'm going to use this for Easter. I had to get aluminum foil. Again, much prefer $1 opposed to $3. Oh, and this I got. These I thought were so pretty. These are LED flowers, and since I'm doing the pink, I thought those would look really pretty. Let's see what it looks like. I'll open it. And again, it's that really pretty pastel pink, and that's exactly what I'm going for. And it's that kind of like that foam. See what this one does. So they turn different colors. This is the part really that turns color. But this one isn't working, so I don't know what's going on. But they're pretty just on their own, just like in a little candle or something. So those are pretty, so I don't regret getting them. And I have a little jar that I keep up here on my craft table when I'm doing my craft. And if you've ever had the Coastal Bay chewy fruits, these are so good, and they do taste just like each flavor. Banana, apple, peach, lemon. They're very good. Very, very good. Actually, I think I'll put them in while I'm talking to you. And I like this because it sits on its end. So we'll just fill this up while we're doing our and one bag fits perfect. There, and that'll sit on my craft table. I'll do something with this. I'll decorate it. I don't know how yet, but then I got a couple more of the little my Dollar Tree is hit and miss with the fairy stuff. I mean, it's a little slide made out of a leaf. Isn't that cute? I always pick up some batteries and straws because I drink my iced coffee with straw in my tea. And then the last thing, some AAA and AA. And then I got this little, look at this, you guys, this little seat with the butterfly, and the butterfly is the backing. Is that adorable? And it's a little chair. So you'll see what I do with these when I'm ready to decorate with them. Then the last thing were these two pink egg candles. And I'll just leave these the way they are, and I'll probably put them on candlesticks. So that's it, guys. That is my Dollar Tree haul. And there's only a couple other things that I'm going to be getting for Easter. The rest, I have enough stuff. More or less. This was more for DIYs, except for the flowers. You know, I'll decorate with those. But yeah, there's only a couple other things. Couple things from Hobby Lobby I want to get, and one or two things from Michael's as far as spring Easter, or really Easter, and then I'm done with that. So that's it. I just wanted to bring you along on what I got. So until next time, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.